The Samsung 198L 4-star digital inverter single-door refrigerator is an excellent choice for those looking for a high-quality and efficient refrigerator. With its 4-star energy rating, it is designed to consume less power, making it an eco-friendly option that also helps save on electricity bills. One of the standout features of this refrigerator is its digital inverter compressor that adjusts its cooling power based on the amount of food stored inside. This not only helps maintain a consistent temperature but also reduces wear and tear, resulting in a longer lifespan for the fridge. Another impressive feature is the Digi-Touch cool technology, which allows you to control the temperature of the refrigerator with just a touch of a button. This makes it easy to adjust the temperature to suit your specific needs. The refrigerator also comes with a base stand with a drawer, providing additional storage space for items like vegetables and fruits. Its pebble blue color and sleek design make it a stylish addition to any modern kitchen. Overall, the Samsung 198L 4-star digital inverter single-door refrigerator is a reliable and energy-efficient option that offers plenty of storage space and features to make your life easier.